Hello, it's Lori. It's Halloween, and I am going to write my HalloweenKU live with you today. So I've got my cup of green tea. Delicious. I've got my Playku My Days book. I'm going to turn to my October section, which has my printables, which you guys can get free if you subscribe to my website or to my newsletter. So this is one of the HalloweenKUs I already wrote. Can't cancel candy. What would Cindy Lou Who do? Turn boo-hoo into boo. So that's the one I wrote that was a sample for you guys. Here's my Playku playground where I drafted it. And then here's the playground that I'm going to be writing on today. I literally have no idea what Playku I'm going to write, but I can't wait to do it live. And then here's an example of one that doesn't take as much color ink. And then when I write my final one, I'll do it here. So I'm going to turn the pages back. And here's my playground that I'm going to use today. I have my favorite pencil, which is a Bic 0.7, just mechanical pencil. I use this for the drafting part. So let's see. Just going to think out loud. I'll usually just put a line right in the center. Let's see. Bought candy ahead of time. That was the Target run. Let's see, so syllables. Bought candy ahead of time. How convenient, that's 7 syllables. So I kind of think that's going to be my middle line. So I've got to do a line here and here. Bought candy ahead of time. It's the same every year. Same, because I already ate like half of it. Of course, I had the argument with myself in Target, like, don't buy this, don't buy this. But the kids are going to want it if they happen to come. But Halloween's canceled. But what if kids come? We need candy. So, I had that argument with myself. Same every year. Same routine, same each year. Let's see. Routine, same each year. I'm going to do buy candy ahead of time, eat half before day. Ate half Halloween. That's like 3 syllables. Ate half already. Ate half already. So routine same each year. Buy candy ahead of time. Buy candy ahead of time. Ate half already. Ate half already. Okay, I like that. So now what I'm going to do, and what I like about this kind of binder, these TULs, T-U-Ls, is I can just rip the page out. Now, a lot of times my playground is like way messier than this, but I'm going to go to my final. And so HalloweenKU, and it's got a date on it, October 20th, October 2020. So we know, like I just might put a note, the year Halloween was canceled. Or way different or something. So I just added that there. All right, so I'm going to put this here. Routine, same, each year. Buy candy ahead of time. See, my last line is still bugging me. Ate half already. Half half gone before, see, I'm trying to eat half for myself. Eat half. So this is like present tense, and then this is like the ate half already is bugging me. So, oh, half gone already. Does that imply that I'm just going to go with that? Half gone already. Oh, and I'm just going to put a date. So 10/31/20. I'm going to put a title. Before a single trick or treater arrives. So you see, this is one of my little tricks that I do. I add a title that gives context. 10/31/20, before a single trick-or-treater arrives. Routine same each year. Buy candy ahead of time, half gone already. So now I like it. All right? So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you subscribe to my newsletter so you can get all these free ones. The November ones are coming. I have really fun ones. I have a lot for November. All right. Thanks, you guys. Bye.